guys, so we're on our way to Paping Staycation and Campsite in Magallanes, Cavite. Ito ay located in Sitio Putol, Barangay, Magallanes. So doon kami magse-celebrate ng Christmas Eve kasi matagal na namin gustong itry ang camping. So tara, let's check the staycation and campsite. So guys, ito yung sinasabi ng owner na madadaanan yung rough road, more or less 10 to 15 minutes away from main highway by car. May mga nakasabay rin naman kaming sedan na kinaya yung road, so magdahan-dahan na lang para iwas aperya. So, may mga available parking din naman sila dito. Visible pa rin sa paningin nyo yung mga parking area, so safe naman siya.
So guys, dito kami magki-Christmas Eve ngayon. Ito yung Unit 7 ng Paping's Staycation. So may griller, jacuzzi, and then ito yung loob niya. So, no aircon siya kasi Tagaytay weather. And, malinis naman so far. May TV. May mga board games din sila dito. May mga add-ons lang yung mga gusto nyong kunin. Like jacuzzi, bonfire, videoke. So, ito yung isang sila nila na naayos. Go, Teddy! Good morning guys! So day 2 na namin dito sa Paping Staycation dito sa Magallanes, Cavite. And itong unit na kinuha namin is yung Unit 7 Baby Bus. Ang binayaran namin dito is 4,000 plus 1,000 for additional packs. So, anti-screen windows naman yung baby bus na kinuha namin. And then, Tagaytay weather siya guys. So, no AC, electric fan lang tayo. Pero guys, sobrang lamig sa gabi. Kaya, wag niyong kakalimutan magdala ng blankets, ng jackets, and anything na makakapagpa-warm sa inyo. Although may bonfire na nakaset up sa labas, additional 200 pesos lang siya. So, may enjoy nyo rin yung lugar guys kasi maraming add-ons na pwede nyong i-add sa package nyo like free jacuzzi, badminton table tennis, retro game console, billiards, meron din silang videoke, meron din silang ATV. Lahat yon may extra bayad, pero ma-enjoy nyo talaga yung place. Okay din naman yung room na pinagstayan namin. Spacious siya, so kahit 4 packs kami dito sa loob ng bus, kasya pa rin naman kami.
Anywhere you want, yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Wi-Fi, they have common Wi-Fi dito sa lugar nila, pero medyo hindi ganun kalakas. So, kung mag-work pa kayo, make sure na medyo malakas yung LTE. So guys, thank you for watching and Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. From our family to yours, until the next adventure.
If you're looking for a close to nature staycation spot near Metro Manila, you should definitely check out Paping Staycation.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you